You are still waiting for the alarm clock to wake you awake. You still rely on a sound. You rely heavily on it to get you up and moving since you're too lazy to get out of bed and go about your life. That alarm clock has no business with you. You live your life as if tomorrow is yours. You've let lethargy govern you since you don't want to get out of bed. Press the reset button and get to work. Rebuild your life. Your life is precious. Fight for it. Get out of the pit of suffering. Get some air into your lungs and begin living anew. Tell the weakness to shut up. Make excuses to be quiet. Quiet. Pity will not save you. Looking for a way out? I am telling you to find the way in. Stop constantly seeking aid and help yourself. Find a method to get your life back. Don't you dare declare you're finished. You do not have authority to give up. I never said it would be simple. You are going to be judged. You are going to be put down. Not everyone will support you. Not everybody will believe in you. There are going to be times. You'll be completely broken and you'll feel as if you can't put it all back together. You can't seem to get your life back on track. So clear your mind and listen to what I'm saying. You can put your life back together. You have faith, strength, knowledge, and competence. Now go to work and conduct your business. No more saying you're not powerful enough. Enough. Stop saying I tried and start doing it. Your life has meaning. Your life has purpose. Your strength lies within you. You were born with it. There is something inside of you that is more powerful than your flesh. Whatever situation you are currently facing in your life, I assure you that it will only persist for a brief period of time. Every day, something changes in someone's life. Your life is changing. My life is changing. Your loved one's life is altering. Stop spending time doing nothing because you only have so much time in life. Please keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that there is one thing we cannot avoid. It is coming for all of us. Life is not a joke, and we cannot escape it. Ladies and gentlemen, but this is such an incredible present. What we do with it is determined by our lifestyle. Consider your life choices. I got it. People are hurting. People feel unhappy from time to time. I get it. Do you know why? Because you're human. And being human is difficult. Being human is challenging. But guess what? Nobody can do it better than you. Ladies and gentlemen, find a method to recognize that your life is valuable. It is not over. You can put it back together with passion, conviction, purpose, and willpower. But if you sit around being unhappy, seeking for a pity party, or hoping for someone to save you, you're going to be in a lot of pain. Stop being so pity-filled. The world is what it is. People do what they do. Not everybody is decent, not everyone wishes you well, and the world does not stop just because you are having a bad day. You are having a good day because you are alive. That says this is a nice day. Perhaps it wasn't the best day, but it was a nice one, because you made it and are still alive. Everybody will tumble, everyone will get knocked down, but you do not have to stay there, ladies and gentlemen. As I usually say, get back up and keep moving forward. Nobody is coming down here to grab you. You had to get up. Stop seeking for someone to help you get out of a predicament you didn't need to be in. I'm looking for this person, that person to help me out. No, get yourself out. Figure it out. Do not expect everyone to save you and get you out of your problem. Sometimes you need to get yourself out of a mess. Don't expect people to make you happy. Don't expect people to provide you a better life than you have now. You rely on others instead of on yourself. Maintain some integrity about yourself. Stop by your morals and principles. Stop selling yourself short. You don't need to start anew. Start today. Do something today. How much time do you believe you have left? Don't live your life as if you're going to live forever. Do not live your life. Assume that all you're good at is being miserable. Ladies and gentlemen, people who have had it easy do not know what it's like to be tough. Those who have had it easy don't comprehend the importance of toughness. Don't look at them. This is not how strength works. Ladies and gentlemen, put it aside and move forward with your lives. Rebuild it. Make your deeds speak louder than your excuses. Let your deeds speak louder than your weaknesses. Allow your activities to run through your veins. You reconstruct your life. But if you don't work to improve yourself mentally, physically, or spiritually, you'll remain broken. Enough of the vulnerability. You invest more effort into making excuses and showing weakness, but you refuse to find a way to be stronger. If you're a man, you need to be a better man. If you're a woman, you must be a better woman. We struggle for our lives every day. People do not end your life. People sometimes break things. It does not imply that they are permanently broken. Find a way to stand, push through life, and keep moving forward. Be productive, stay strong, never quit, and from the bottom of my heart, ladies and gentlemen, return to business.